Welcome everyone. If your iPhone touchscreen is not working, in my case it is, but let's say you want to swipe, that ain't working, and even clicking the buttons may not be working. The first solution is we're going to do the force restart. So for iPhone 8 and newer, to do the force restart, the key combination is you're going to click release volume up, then click release volume down, and then click and hold the power button. This has a precise timing, so I recommend you just do the key combination with me. If you're having problems, rewind the video, try again. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Click release volume up, click release volume down, click and hold the power button, and you're going to keep this one held down. So if you accidentally release the power button while holding it down, you will need to repeat the key combination. Nothing should show other than the black screen, and then when you see the Apple logo, you can release. If your iPhone is still stuck, keep on trying. But do remember as well, on the older iPhones, this force restart procedure is different. So on the older iPhones, you just press and hold power and home button together until you see the Apple logo. And on iPhone 7 and 7 Plus only, you press and hold power and volume down together. But for most people, the key combination I showed first is what you need to do. And once we're here, we can unlock. This should work for most people. If this doesn't work, and the problem is you're swiping and sometimes the swiping doesn't register properly, then what may be the case is your screen protector is causing touch issues. So just keep in mind that you remove the screen protector, knowing you can't pull it back on, and if the screen protector is not the problem, that will cost you some money. But if you really want to try, you can just peel off your screen protector, see if that helps with the touch. You may also want to wipe your iPhone down with a cloth. I'm using a mask because it's closest, but wipe it down with a cloth, a towel, your t-shirt, see if that helps. If that does not help, then what we're going to do is we're going to massage the screen. So let me move the camera. To massage the screen, we're going to start by turning off the iPhone. I'm just going to slide the power off here, so you can know all this stuff. And once we've done this, we're going to get 2 fingers here, and we're just going to tap with lots of force down all over the screen. So I'm going to use one hand as like stabilizer. I'll just go like this. And so we're going to get 2 fingers. You're just going to tap very hard down. Make sure you cover all the screen. And make sure you do full force here, okay? So you're going to tap as hard as you can. Just go across. Make sure all corners are covered. Again, maximum force. We're then going to massage the screen. So you can get 2 thumbs. Push really hard down. Just push to the center. You should work out your thumbs as well. We're just trying to get the screen back in place. Potentially a connector for your touchscreen is unplugged. And by doing this massage, this should get everything back in place. Just going to massage right here. And you would repeat the same on the back. So I'd recommend you remove the case when you do this. Remove your iPhone case temporarily. Just going to go through, tap really hard, make sure full force with 2 fingers. It's hard to do this with the case on, but you'd also tap around the camera lenses as well. And then you do the same massage. Okay. And once you've done that, turn back on the iPhone. And this may solve the problem. It looks crazy. I saw this other creator, shout out to a World of Tech, for sharing this method, and this actually fixes like the touchscreen just not working at all, the iPhone not turning on. This will actually solve it, because sometimes your your touchscreen cable may have disconnected. It will reconnect it then, and so just check if your touchscreen is working. Great, you solved the problem. If it's still not working, you will need to get a screen replacement. Now with Apple, they may do it for free, they may not, but it's worth trying first because it's free. You can either pay Apple to do the replacement or third-party repair shop. Apple's the most reliable because they're going to use genuine parts. With third-party repair, a lot of them will use genuine parts, but one thing to note is if you use third-party repair, the True Tone won't work anymore. Some repair companies can hack that, but most don't, so the True Tone will stop working. Some people will also give you an LCD screen instead of an OLED screen. So OLED is like good quality, LCD is like really bad, horrible quality. And if they use third-party screens, that won't be great. So just keep in mind that you are kind of risking stuff with third-party repair. But if you want to, it's worth the shot. If not, I'd recommend you back up your iPhone while things still kind of work, then just get a new one, then restore the data. That's what I would personally do. And with that being said, let me know in the comments what the outcome was of your screen. Has this video helped? And with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.